It's real active right now, yo. What the fuck? What is up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I want to say I appreciate you guys for coming back to another video and showing love on that last video. Truly appreciate it. And today, like I said in the last, not the last video, but the last video, when I went to pick up the car, I did say that I was gonna go back because they forgot to install the charge pipe. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna head out over there, get the charge pipe, and then I have another fake carbon lip, but it looks a little bit more aggressive than the one I have now, so I might have them install that one and remove this one because I feel like that one's just more aggressive. So we'll see what's up. And yeah, I gotta go put gas though. Gotta go do that E85 and E50 mix, you know. I'm still getting used to this camera, so every time I flip it the other way, the mic sounds like I'm far, so I have to get close to, like, bringing the camera close to the mic, just because, like, it doesn't really capture my voice when I flip the camera when I'm like this way. But yeah, I was noticing that when I was editing, so I have to fix that. But other than that, chilling. And damn, I swear I was gonna say something else, but I totally forgot. I literally just had a brain fart. I can't remember. If I remember, I'll bring back the camera. I'll tell you guys, but I literally forgot. Like, I literally forgot what I was gonna tell you guys. Ooh, so it just filled up. Yes, sir. And there's this nice ass Trackhawk right next to me, bro. And the girl's driving this. Shout out to her, bro, because that shit is hard. Matte black too. Stupid hard. You know what I've just noticed right now? Because, you know, I watch Fresh Kicks videos too. But every time I look at his gas tank, he has like 374,000 miles to empty and shit. And I haven't reached that like since the first time I've ever bought it, bro. So that's crazy to me, that, bro. Like, I think his fuel economy or fuel efficiency is way better than mine, to be honest. Cause dude, mine drains like no tomorrow, bro. I don't know, man. It's probably just me, but you know, I know when to have a heavy foot and when not to, but I don't know. Hey, shout out to that guy right there, bro. And I don't know what it was. I think it was a E43. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure what it was. I didn't really get to see it. It was a Mercedes, though, that's for sure. But shout out to him for the pools. I mean, we didn't really even get to get great pools, honestly, but I just kept spinning, bro. Like, we did like a pool, and I was spinning all of third. Like, there was no type of grip that was like catching. He wanted to do a 40 roll, and then we did a 40 roll, and I mean, you guys just saw. That's the PQ performance sauce. Yeah, I'm like 40 minutes out right now, almost to them. But yeah, man, nice little runs we got in. Oh, we got a tunnel. Look at this traffic. Every time there's a dope tunnel, bro, there's always traffic. There's always gotta be some type of traffic. And I'm like, ain't this some shit? Look at that. Woo, woo. Oh, bro, there is so much damn traffic right now, dude. Like, where am I? Look, I got 24 minutes to get there, and it's gonna be 3:18. Damn, bro. And I left like at 1, which is fucking crazy. We're finally arriving. About that time, bro. So much in traffic. It's real active right now, yo. Yeah, these days. GTR. Working on the MP40 right now. It's pretty active right now. So much shit going on. M4 over there on fatty tires. Another MP40 over there. So let's see what they got here today outside of PQ Performance. And then they got this M4 right here with this big old tire. Jeez. Another M4 back here. Then we got another M340i you guys seen earlier. It's just clean. Nice and simple. Dang, you got a tire too. I didn't even see that. And then we got the twin. We got the twin over here. This is my car, but with just different wheels. And he got real carbon mirror caps. I don't, unfortunately. This GTR over there. Motorcycle over there. We got a M3 over here. And they got this right here. SRT. Damn. I got an M4 back here too. So they're installing the CTS downpipe right. I mean, charge pipe right now.
My boy gets more excited to get an upgrade turbo than kick it with a girl.
How excited are you to have a stock turbo?
Okay.
How excited are you to have a stock turbo again?
Fuck you. Nah. I just put it in some work. Hey, go make got me some F80s out there. Yee! You blew the bumpers off of it, huh? Let me see. Let me get some of that. Okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah, they're taking care of me. Alright, look at them. I'll be putting this one cleaning.
Alright, for sure. Sounds good. Alright, thank you. Fuck! That shit hurted!
Yeah, they're about to get the tires all wet. They're about to spin right now.
Hey, what's up? Hey,
I luckily want this diffuser, but I don't like that third brake light though. Shit's hard though. It's chaos right now, bro. I think nothing but Beamers right now. We got nothing but BMWs lined up. B58 heaven over here. Yeah, it's basically BMW heaven right now. Nothing but BMWs. Mine's parked over there. Oh, that's so sick. It's a mobile van. Sells bread. It's my car. It's just back inside.
I'll keep it, dog. Can we leave it here? For like a day? For like 20
For like a
bucks,
day?
yeah. Yeah, I'll pay you. Maybe? Yeah, I'll give you 20 bucks.
I'll give you 20
Measure
bucks.
foot. This fool. I'm gonna pay you 20 to hold it here and then like another. How much is it trying to install it?
40.
Ah, so you my boy like 450.
Baby, I'll pay
Oh, that's the car, that's the car.
I'll pay for that. Go!
What the fuck?
My fucking chair is sick, motherfucker.
You want to do a burnout?
You wanna do a burnout? You don't have balls? You wanna do it right now?
This shit sounds good.
It's just
Dead
so
ass.
down.
Oh, now we gotta change my function, huh? Yeah!
Hey, you better drive to hit malfunction? I think so.
Fuck.
Wanna learn how to get cabs?
Is that shit a V8? Hey, fool, reflash your shit.
Looks like you're working overtime tonight, Chris.
I never did that.
Yeah, homie broke his car. It's not sounding right, dog.
Poor Poncho there, this is always breaking now.
Yo, he fucked up his car, bro. All for the video, bro.
I broke the spark plug on cylinder 2.
Oh no. Hey, just know that it looks good in the video though. All for the video. How's you feeling, big dog? He's on a real fucking LD. Dang.
You got the $2 in your pocket?
Hey, the flames are dope though?
Worth the blow. It was worth the spark plug?
Did you get the
Our new
Oh,
two-step
yeah.
package comes with extra spark plugs.
It's bad.
Do it again!
Do it again! They're basically putting everything away and all that. But I'm over here setting up my address and it's an hour and 41 minutes away, bro. Bro, I have a drive. Wow, look at the Ferrari. We got a Ferrari right here. Nice, bro. I wish I knew my models, but I don't.